Hey folks, this is Jimmy up here in Strange, Vermont with a crystal for you. It's a pretty good sized stone. Sort of a smoky quartz. White, gray, a little bit of blue in it maybe. Got some rust on it. But it does look like a face. It does look like a bird. Has an eye. Has an owl. Has a serpent. And there's a rattle, which is common on these things. It also has, where you see the owl, right in the temporal area of the head is what looks like a penial gland shape. And you can see the talons wrapped around it of the owl. And the owl's geometric. You can see it's carved into it. It's an amazing stone. If you look at this image, you can almost see another owl. It's like the shadow owl of the owl. All these different layers. It's amazing. And it's a pretty big stone. Very colorful. Now, if that is the pineal gland, what were these people thinking about when they made this? Supposedly primitive people. What were they trying to tell us? Leaving the pineal gland inside a crystal with all these images in it. The rattle would vibrate and make noise, come out of the mouth. The owl, the vulture. The owl's wrapped his wing around the eye, the pineal gland. All these images. What were they thinking about? There's a spiritual nature to these things. And if we look at them that way, I think we'll see what we're seeing. And I think there's a practical nature to these. They're not just items that were made for ritual use. They actually have power in them, given to them by their images, and that they came from the earth. Very important. This stone changes when the sun changes in the sky. And at night it becomes very dark and changes color. It's like it's alive. It has moods, like an octopus, the way they change. It's like it gives out light as it receives it also. Like it will receive it during the day, and at night it gives out light, and it completely changes the color of the stone. I see birds all up in here. There's another one. What are they trying to tell us? This stone has a lot of power today. After being in the earth for a long time. The only reason to have it is for what it is. It's not something you'd be using as a tool of any kind. This is an important object that was placed around the top of this mountain with a lot of other objects that were similar. It's like a prayer. Well, there's a very cool stone from Paleo Mountain here in Vermont. This is Jimmy, and thank you for watching.